The first process whenever looking at purchasing a new build home is to speak to a specialist new build mortgage advisor. A specialist advisor, there is small quirks with mortgage lenders that are specific to new build. So you just need somebody specialised in that area to be able to explain everything to you so you're fully informed, you understand exactly what you're doing, and obviously it's all specific to new build properties also. We've worked with Lovell for a number of years now to help people purchase new build homes. When you start looking at all the different people involved in the transaction, you've got solicitors who will obviously look after the contract and make sure that everything legally is in place and correct for you. Lovell developer will ensure that the house is built to the standard that you deserve, and your mortgage advisor's really in your corner. They're there to ensure that you are fully informed in all of the decisions that you are making. They're the right decisions for you. Hold your hand so that if any problems occur during the process, try to fix them before they become a bigger issue. And if you do incur any issues, it's dealt with without you needing to be overly concerned. They're basically just there to make the home buying experience as enjoyable as possible for you. There is a number of different types of mortgages available. Most customers would just like to keep it incredibly simple and ask what is the main types of mortgages. Main types of mortgages from the point of view interest rates, yes, you can have fixed rates, you could have variable rates. There is lots of different types of rates within those, but fundamentally it comes down to, do you feel comfortable knowing what your monthly mortgage payments are going to be for a given period of time, or are you comfortable with your mortgage payments changing? Customers often come to us and ask how much they can go up to. Yes, lenders will have affordability calculators telling you how much they are able to let you go up to, but it really comes down to yourself on what you feel comfortable paying. So we always take people through a scenario of how much you feel comfortable paying, how much of a mortgage that would allow you to actually borrow, and tailor this all around your needs. Once you've decided to go and purchase a Lovell home, at that point you'll go in and reserve the property. Once we've got the details of the property, the address, how much the house is, the actual plot in which you're purchasing, our mortgage advisors will then normally ask you for things such as 3-month pay slips, 3-month bank statements, proof of deposit. We'll collate all the documentation to prove your income. Once we've got all that, then yes, we will then choose a mortgage on a given date, best suited to your needs based upon what we've been discussing up until that point. We then go and apply for everything with the mortgage for you, assist you with Help to Buy should you need to use that, and we'll do all the chasing with the lender to ensure that we get a mortgage offer within a timely process. At that point, it'll be sent over to the solicitors to get the exchange of contracts done. There are a number of costs involved in purchasing a new build home that you need to be aware of. Valuation fees, obviously we don't know which lender we're using at this stage, but from a valuation point of view, most lenders will charge a valuation fee, but there are many who won't. So depending on the lender you use at the time, will depend on the fees you pay. From a mortgage advisor's point of view, you should not pay a fee for specialist new build mortgage advice. We've worked with Lovell for a number of years now. We do not charge any fees to give advice should you need it. Solicitors' costs, obviously the solicitors will ensure that everything's correct and accurate from the contract point of view, but you will have legal fees involved. Stamp duty, obviously this will depend on the value of the property in which you are purchasing, and obviously if you're a first-time buyer or not. The benefit of being a first-time buyer and purchasing a new build home in today's world is it will give you access to Help to Buy. Now, Help to Buy is a government-funded scheme. You only have to put down 5% deposit, and the government will give you an equity loan, interest-free, for the next 5 years. They will give you up to 20% of the value of the property, reducing down the amount of mortgage you'll be borrowing, therefore reducing your mortgage costs. And obviously, this is available on all Lovell new homes.